shit look like a Benz for real. It look like a Benz for real. Ooh, stop playing with them. Stop playing with her. Motherfucker. Oh, shit. Stop playing with her. She got that new shit. You brocos can never. You brocos can never. Stop playing. What's the drunk?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you.
We're global now.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Shaw. Back here again with another vlog, and I got my boy Dope here. It's YouTube. Oh shit, I'm sorry. This
Oh, I gotta get the shades. My bad. I'll go get the shades.
you got the shades?
No, I ain't got them.
All right, it's cool.
I'm still Dope Kardashian.
No, it's
Not the same.
It's Pornhub. We doing the grocery store scene.
Grocery store scene. Okay. All right. Well, Al.
Doesn't matter. We in a grocery cart.
Let's do the milk aisle so I can.
All right, guys. Me and Dope are doing a cooking video today. I think the grill area open. Ain't the grill area still?
Nigga, it's cold outside.
But the grill, that shit is cool. Like, you know, we can still be inside while it's grilling.
It's cold.
But
Mike.
you don't. First of all, it actually felt kind of good when I came outside from my spot. You know, in the city. You know what I'm saying?
It's cold.
But
Like, it's cold.
I'm just saying, bro. We can still barbecue.
I mean, we can still do it, but
We could be inside while we barbecue. Yeah, I like a Cash Money Millionaire with the hat on. I ain't gonna even play with you. I'm from Magnolia now, bitch. You heard me? Woody.
you do like you could be Birdman.
Bruh, not Master P.
Huh?
Master P.
Master P.
Master P.
Why Master P?
I don't want to be I don't want to be shiesty. I don't want to be in them shiesty category.
Shit, Pooh Shiesty should sound with Birdman.
Nope. That nigga wasn't getting nothing. That nigga was like, ooh, I got another one. Ooh. That nigga rubs hands because he's like, yeah, these motherfuckers don't even know.
Ooh, Pooh Shiesty, that nigga only 19 too. Ooh, I can't wait till this nigga legal.
Legal, unlegal bitch. With John Quiz. Yeah. Yeah. But now we about to go to Whole Foods, get some couple grocery items or something. I want some steak and some lobster tonight. You know what I'm saying?
Dang, that's how you treating me tonight, Mike? Damn. For real.
I might take it back to my crib. I don't know, but I just picked up Dope because Dope was like, "Man, came to you today." Yeah. And I'm like, "All right, Dope, yeah, I come."
I did not say that.
So
daily routine. Either I hit Mike up and Mike hits me up because we ain't got no job. So we'd be like, "What we doing today?"
yeah, we poor.
So you know. Only in Atlanta can people with no jobs do anything they want. I don't know how we do it. I don't know. You got to move here to get it.
That
you know what I'm
unemployment
saying?
ain't even hitting.
You got to move here to understand.
Hey man, once you get to Atlanta, bro, you don't give a fuck. You don't give no fuck. What are we doing today? Shit, I don't know, bro. What you want to do? Eat some lobster? Shit, you want to go?
Go to Magic City?
Go
Throw 1,000? You be like, where the 1,000 came from? I don't
bro,
know.
what? You like, bro, let's go ahead and just go. You know,
This is really what it is. Money attracts money. That's all it is. Money attracts money. So if being in Atlanta, you're around money, you're going to get money just because you're around it.
No, for sure.
I thought this dog was by herself. I was going to say.
I was about to beat her ass. She looked like a dog. But we'll see y'all in the grocery store.
Let's get it, let's go.
Let's get it, let's
go.
Go. I ain't even think. You don't even eat blueberries. You picking up shit you don't even eat. What is that?
Look, I live in Buckhead now. I'm supposed to do shit I don't do.
Bruh.
I'm brand new. I'm a Kardashian.
What are those? What are those? I don't know, but I'm gonna try.
It's a honeydew.
This nigga don't need to eat honeydew, bro.
Man, you did $12.
What you looking at prices for? You live in Buckhead, remember?
I got Buckhead bills.
Ooh, man.
Okay, this one 11. I can deal with that.
Alright, I'm gonna make some tonight. I'm gonna make some steak, probably some asparagus, and hey man, fuck you. You work here. I'm gonna make some asparagus, the salmon, asparagus.
You gonna take all of it?
No, you can have some of that. That's a lot. I was gonna cook it with this. With some of that sauce, like toss it in that, grill it, and then toss it in that. You know what I'm saying? You wanna do that?
Do that, Mike. Do that. your thing, man.
Excuse me. Chat, are you guys allowed to like have this?
I don't have anything to do right now.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Shit, I guess I just gotta get what I gotta get. Alright, y'all, that's all I got right now. I gotta get my steak. Unless they put it up. I kind of want this lobster tail, but I ain't trying to be bougie.
I'll put the salmon there.
They got some salmon down here. That's something that kind of rough. I want some glass or something. I just want some seafood for real. Let me get like a pound of these scrimps for my steak. I'm gonna do the steak. All right, though. You gotta know how to pick the meat. All right. I learn how to pick the meat.
Why you pick that one?
Small, meaty. But you gotta think. I like mine medium. So when it's cooking, it's gonna be more pink in the inside. You feel me? We're getting good steak going. Thank you. There we go. Oh, thick ass Creole. You better eat these and be happy.
Yeah, these are $3. You get this at the gas station for $1. A big one.
A big one? That's a look. All right. I got all my goodies. I got a steak. I got some shrimp. I got some asparagus. We about to go crazy. All right. I'll see y'all in a minute. We're going to be at the crib, at the grill. We're going to go nuts. All right, y'all. We back at the crib. I'm about to start seasoning everything before I take it upstairs. I got
Bling bling. On a yesterday bling bling. Pink and red. What about fit bling bling?
All right, I got some asparagus, some steak, and some shrimp. The shrimp already came kind of like pre-seasoning, so that was pretty good. I'm cooking at Dope's house, so like some of the stuff I ain't gonna like to be like all the way seasoned. Asparagus doesn't take long to cook, so this is gonna be pretty easy on the asparagus too. So I'm gonna use all of this shit. There's a lot of asparagus. And all I'm doing is putting this shit on the foil. I'm gonna just put this shit on the foil. And I put a little butter on the bottom, and a little butter on the top, and I'm gonna roll it up like what you guys not supposed to do, but Snoop Dogg was to do. That's how I'm gonna roll it up.
What Snoop Dogg you doing?
Once it's done, I'm gonna toss it in like this mango pineapple slaw, so it can be like how that smoky taste, but at the same time it's still like sweet and tangy. So y'all gonna be able to see that when I toss it or whatever. What else I got? I got a steak, a ribeye steak. This my.
Yeah, fuck what he got. I got salmon. Fuck with me, you know I got it. I got salmon. Would you rather steak or salmon, baby? I seen what you order at the restaurants.
At the Oceanaire. At the Oceanaire. All right. All this is gonna be cooked in foil. We ain't cooking nothing except for the steak. Pretty much like all this is super easy.
You think I should rub this in foil? This goes in foil for sure.
Unless you got some wood or something like
I
that.
got no wood, bro.
I got wood if she need me to lay it. Bitches. All right, so I got my shrimp. It's garlic shrimp already, like I said. And
OG Parker.
this isn't the best foil, but oh shit. But yeah, this isn't the best foil, but we're gonna be able to cook it still, and everything's gonna come out pretty good. All right, shrimp over, dope. I said shrimp. Dope over there cleaning his shrimp.
See, a lot of people thought I couldn't cook.
All right, dope.
Well, Mike's teaching me today.
Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of this video is cooking with Mike, and I'm showing dope how to cook. But all right, now we got my steak. This is probably my last week pause eating meat. So like I gotta like celebrate a little bit. So I got me a nice ribeye steak. I've been doing pretty good. I like the fattiness on the steak as well. I picked this steak because I like my steaks medium. It's pretty thick. So with that being said, it's gonna shrink up a little bit and still be nice and pink how I like it on the inside. So I got my steak. I'm gonna season it a little bit with a little salt and pepper. It don't need nothing else. It just needs salt and pepper, a little olive oil. That's it. You really don't even need to put that on there. No Worcestershire sauce. If you really know how to cook a steak, salt, pepper, that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
It's like a restaurant.
You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna do that. And I'll see you guys upstairs on shit, back to the penthouse. Penthouse vibes.
This nigga might really want to cook while it's 40 degrees.
Bro, it ain't 40, it's like 30. Dijon? Dijon? Oh, wait, where'd that bitch go? Hold on, y'all. Ugh. All right, y'all. I got my asparagus on there. You see it's popping open. You can see it through the thing. And I got my shrimp on there. I'm gonna put this steak on there. I know y'all hear the sizzle. Oh yeah, that's what I want. That's what daddy want now. That's what daddy want. I want that fire. Yeah, gotta close that grill up, but yeah, that's exactly what we want. The wind is blowing, but I did wait till I got my stove or grill on like 400, past 400. That's what I like it on. Shout out to my other light. Dope is up here. Dope forgot his food in the house. Don't know how he did that because we left out at the same time. But it is cold. It's brick. It is brick. This was my idea, and it is very brick outside. And yeah, but it's so pretty outside, so I really can't complain. Like, look at the city. Hey y'all, I was lying. Ain't no wait till the summertime, bro. It got cold as fuck real quick. Like you can see the skyline. It's not bad. Like wait till the summertime. I'm gonna be out here. Y'all gonna see your boy out here. We gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how we do. You already know how we do. But let me check on my little steak. So I know my shrimp is probably. So I'm gonna rotate my shrimp. I ain't got no toilet. Rotate my shrimp. Ooh, that's hot. That shit hot. I need some tongues. I'm out here using my hands. All right, let me get some tongues. And I'll see. You might want to just get your tongue thing. This is cold. No, get your tongue thing and just put it in the fire back there. Get like set up your hookah, cause he trying to light the hookah with the grill. Bro, set you.
I gotta go back downstairs.
You don't got your tongue thing? All right, my steak cooking. Hey, chill out. I done put everything on here. I'm about to let all this finish cooking. I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh. Okay, y'all. We coming together in here. Look at our asparagus, my shrimps, dope salmon. How your salmon is? That steak, you know what I'm
It
saying?
don't look good, but it's good.
It's pretty good. All right. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take this asparagus. I'm gonna mix it up with this salsa right here. I'm about to go crazy. That shit weird. Damn, bro, put it on your plate. Can't even get it on his plate. Hey, shout out to the residents for their utensil. You know, that's what I Alright, try this asparagus without it first.
You good without it? Oh, let me taste it without it. Shit.
Cool. Half of that. That shit hot. But we gotta eat our veggies. Just a little butter. Season.
Oh yeah.
What?
Got salmon here.
I told you it was gonna cook quick. Tossy toss in there, you know what I'm saying? In the hood cooking good. Oh yeah. Let's fuck with that. I'm fucking with the mango. We got options. Let me try to get shrimp for real though. I'm shrimp here. This steak look delicious.
That pretty good, dude. So
I ain't gonna even lie to you. Let me cut into this piece. Where my fork go? Oh, there you go.
you said about some nothing.
Yeah.
You got a bathroom right there.
Medium. It be a medium. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Mike. No, play with me. It's not with her. No. Stop playing with me, bro. You broke hoes. Salt bay on these hoes. Salt bay on these hoes. Well, I'm about to eat. I'm hungry. This is Mike teaching Dope how to cook. You already know the vibes. Like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, she drunk, y'all.
Like, comment, and subscribe.